Today's radio is a Albrecht Alpha 4000 cept pr27D, or for the UK market pr27gb. This was purchased from Germany, but they sold the same radios in the UK. Shops like Truck King and Knights and a few others probably sold them as well. But when they did sell them, they were quite expensive for what they are, because obviously these are like older style radio based on the Rotel 240 type design for the UK market. So really, even the box state CB transceiver, classical design. So even when this was out in the late 80s, early 90s, it was still a classic CB. But you know, the new was like getting older. But this is the top of the range one at the time for this design. The controls, it looks like it's got a load of controls on, but they haven't really. It's got a side fitting mic there. There's the mic. You've got volume, squelch, RF gain, mic gain, dimmer, high-low tone, internal, external speaker. You can use either mute if you need to. Channel 9, clear normal, that's where like it's supposed to be a compressor, but probably doesn't. CBPA, and that's a delta tune, that's in the 0 position at the minute. So, let's quickly switch this on. Well, there you go, there's the Albrecht, that's the box there. Thanks for watching my video, thank you.